Hey there mga kabatak! Today what I will show you is where you can edit the caption of your video in YouTube. So first we will open your YouTube app and then tap your channel icon here on the right corner. Then go to your channel. After that, on the three dots on top corner, we will tap it. Then go to settings. So here you will see all the general settings and everything. And now you will go to captions. So once you're already here, you have to enable the service. Tap this. As you can see guys, subtitle preview is there. So language, you can change it here like that. Choose which language you want to use. And then text size is here also. And then subtitle style. So I choose white on black. You can use any of this, which one you like. So it's like this only guys, very easy and very fast. So thank you for today guys. Hope you to see on the next video.